Hello folks, today we are going to talk about Power Pivot Table. Yes, let's say you wanted to merge two different tables in the data and you have one common thing in both the tables and you wanted to convert that both the tables into one Power Pivot tables. For example, in the tables we have SKUs, department and sales. In the another table we have departments and their targets. We wanted to merge these two tables into one Power Pivot tables. How to do that, we will learn that process in this video. So let's get started. So here we have one table. This is the normal range. First we will convert this data into the tables form. So to convert this into the table form, we have to press Ctrl T shortcut for the table. Now, yes, this will ask you, my table has a header. Yes, my table has a header. So click tick box and click OK. Now we will give name to this table. This is our department underscore sales table. So we have given the table name department underscore sales, and let's convert this another table into the another dataset into the table. Ctrl T again and click OK. This table we are giving the name of department underscore targets because it's a target table. Hit enter. Now we both tables has different names. Now I want to create the relationship between these two tables. How to do that? Let's understand. Go to the data table and here we have a tool, data tools tab. In that we have one icon for the relationship. Click on this. Now we have this automatically. Let's delete this as of now. I have did this earlier. So we have deleted the old version. Now we will create the new relationship between these two tables. Okay. Click on new. Here we are getting this pop-up and here we need to select. In the tables, we need to select data, department sales, and another table we have to select department targets. In the column, we have to select a department because in both the data set, we have department as a common field. Here, we are going to select department again. Click OK. Now, our relationship is built in both the tables. Close this, and now we wanted to add Power Pivot table on top of this. How to do that? Go to the Power Pivot table, go to add to data. This table has already been added to the data model. We have already added this. So now you can see department sales and department targets is already here. Now we just need to create, and you can see in the diagram view, in the view section, you can click on this diagram view. Now you can see this diagram view, this department and department targets have built relationship between each other because department is common in both the tables. So it's already built. Now we just need to go to the pivot tables here in the Power Pivot tables. Click on this Power Pivot table. Click on new or the existing worksheet. If you wanted to use the existing worksheet, click here and choose the location wherever you want to paste the Power Pivot table and click OK and click OK. Now you will see Power Pivot table is here. Go to the Power Pivot table analysis. Click on the field box. Here you are getting the tables. Now click on this department table. On the department targets table, click this department and drop down into the row section, and target should be in the value section. So now you can see targets in the value section and department. Here we have department sales. So we wanted to we have already taken the department. Now we wanted to take sales from this here. So we have added the sales and targets. Click over here and let's change the name of this custom name as a targets, and click over here name custom sales. This is my sales. So this way you have added both the tables into the data model and created the relationship between two tables and converted the data into the one Power Pivot table. So how you found this chapter today. Let me know in the comment box. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, you can consider subscribing it and click the bell icon to get the notification from our channel. Bye bye. See you in the next video.